Hi, my name is Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over a few tips, tricks, and tools you could start using to help bring in more customers to your business. I've learned that by showing business owners a few tips and tricks they can use to help improve their business through digital marketing strategies and search engine optimization, that some of those business owners have put their trust in me to help grow their company. So if at the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I bring a lot of tools and techniques to the table, then you can go ahead and respond to me in this email or reach out via phone call. However, if you want to take this game plan that I give you today and the free tips and tricks I give you and implement them yourself, that totally works for me too. So without further ado, let's dive right into this brief search engine optimization audit. So right off the bat, the first thing I look for is going to be content. I can see you don't really have any. However, 1,500 words is really what you want to have. The reason I say 1,500 words is that we found that with the Google algorithms for searching for businesses and websites, that's kind of like the minimum number to kind of get flagged by Google to be pulled up, flagged in a positive way. So that's one reason. The second reason is going to be keywords. So keywords are king. Now, when I say keywords, I'm not talking about just a specific word, but I'm talking about this search bar. So anything typed in this search bar is a single keyword. So for example, Chicago Roofing Company is one keyword. So looking at that, we want to find what your competitors are doing to kind of go more in depth, right? So I see this Matthews Roofing right here is their website. They have quite a bit more content, there are more pictures and stuff like that. But we're not talking about aesthetics. What I want to talk about, like I said, is keywords. So I ran them in a tool I use called Ahrefs, which you can get. It's a website. It's about $250 a month, but it shows you everything that they're doing SEO-wise. So we can see that they're being found in Google for about 1.4 thousand keywords. But what's cool is we can look even further in depth, and I want to draw your attention to a few things on this page. First, these are the exact keyword phrases in Google that are being found. So roofing Chicago, roofing company Chicago, roofing contractors in Chicago, so on and so forth. What I want to highlight is that the volume being searched, 300, 350, 450, 450, that's how many approximate searches are done per month for that keyword. That's crazy. Right here's a couple thousand people searching for this stuff every month. The next thing I want to draw your attention to is the position. Second, third. This is their position in Google for the specific keyword search. So roofing Chicago, 300 searches a month, they're in the second position. Now, Google releases their click rates, which is how many times people click on the websites through their search engine. Now, if you're not on the first page, then you're missing 80% of the potential customers, because the click rates show that 80% of people don't scroll past the first page. So you're probably asking, Craig, how do I get to the first page? Well, that's the last thing I want to talk about. Going back to Ahrefs, we can see backlinks, and that's what we're going to focus on. Now, there's other techniques and tools that we use as far as off-site SEO, but this is one of the main things that you can do. Now, what a backlink is, it's a link from one website to another website. So for example, if site A is linking to site B gets some of that power from site A. But why it's more important is that the more backlinks you have, the higher Google ranks you. It's kind of like a popularity contest, but it can't just be any website or spammy, scammy website. It needs to be a relevant, high-powered website to send more power to your website and ultimately drive up your domain rating. Now I ran your website as well. In there, as we can see, your website, DMG, and you have 13 backlinks with 4 domains, and you're being found for 13 keywords. So you do have a long way to go to catch them, but it's not unobtainable. So in closing, we discussed 3 things. We discussed content and how you want to have 1,500 words or more. We talked about keywords, and I showed you how crucial those are and the amount of customers that you're missing out on by not capturing those keywords on your pages. Lastly, most importantly, we discussed how you get to the front page. Now, these tools, tricks, and tips I gave you will help bring you up in Google. But if you want to get to the front page and you want to focus on doing roofing and let someone else deal with the digital marketing side of your house, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. But before I go, one last thing. You might be asking, what's the point? Well, let's look at the yield of traffic on their website. Of course, they've invested in this, which is tax deductible because it is marketing. And they have received 1.7 thousand clicks a month, last month. you're getting 0. So if you just converted a 10th of those, that's 170 more potential clients. Let's assume you close 10% of the traffic. That's 170 more clients. All right, I really do thank you for your time and hope you have a great day.